In the field of microscopy imaging, people want to see more details and more comprehensively. Year 2003, Microshop began to devote herself to the microscopy industry in Guangzhou City. Start with accessories for microscopy imaging systems. Be the first to set off the trend of microscopy digital imaging, leading the Chinese microscope industry on the road to high-end development. Since its establishment 20 years ago, MicroShot gradually developed into a national high-tech enterprise. Sponsored by national funds, the product line covers fluorescence microscopes, digital cameras, etc., and launched a series of automated digital intelligent products. Provide excellent products and quality services. Maximize value for customers. It's a relentless pursuit to MicroShot.
MicroShot has focused on microscopy imaging for 20 years. Continuous accumulation in optical machinery, electronics, and software has launched a series of high-quality microscopy imaging products, filled many domestic gaps. Not only create certain economic value, also created good social value. Face to the future, MicroShot will continue to devote itself to the digitization of microscopy imaging, electrification, and intelligence, accumulated in life sciences and medicine. Meet the new needs of domestic and foreign microscopy imaging users.
Innovation is only to create better products. MicroShot has always focused on the field of microscopic imaging, continuously tackled the direction of high-end fluorescence imaging. Not only gained nearly 100 national patents and software copyrights, received national honors one after another. The products have passed CEFCC and other certifications, widely used in scientific research, education, medical industry, and other fields. Assisted multiple scientific research teams to publish high-scoring papers. In recent years, new products such as fluorescence digital slide scanners were also launched, filling the vacancies in related fields in the country. Integrity constantly refines higher quality. MicroShot has always insisted on seeking development through quality. Certified as an enterprise that abides by contracts and values credit for 11 consecutive years, it has passed ISO 9001 management system certifications such as ISO 14001 and ISO 13485. Production management with high standards of medical device level. Continuous performance. Deliver high-quality products to clients such as WHO. Service embodies the value of the brand. Door-to-door demonstration. After-sales door-to-door service. Free after-sales hotline and other full process services. Product software upgrades available. Lifetime maintenance quality assurance engineers. Remote technical support and other professional teams. Multiple service guarantees. Provide customers with more comprehensive and considerate services. Innovative products based on honest attitude. The spirit of cooperation and the belief of service. The MSHOT brand is already well known in the industry. Influence covers more than 30 countries and regions around the world. MSHOT makes micro clear and beauty. Stable and long-time development.